In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Calendar in Chrome, go straight to the Other Calendars Management section, and locate a specific holiday calendar entry. To get started, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to Google Calendar. Wait a moment for the page to fully load so all of the navigation elements appear correctly. This is important because if the page is still loading, some sidebar options may shift or appear slightly later. When Google Calendar is visible, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Google Calendar groups different calendar categories, including your own calendars, shared calendars, and additional calendar settings. For this task, you'll want to go directly to the area related to Other Calendars Management. Navigate to the Other Calendars Management section in the sidebar pane. Depending on your current layout, you may need to look a little lower in the left panel to find it. This section is where Google Calendar organizes extra calendars, such as holidays, sports schedules, or other subscribed calendar types. Take a second to make sure you are in the correct area before moving on. Once you've reached that section, look for the holiday listing you want to work with. Holiday calendars are typically displayed as individual row items within this part of the sidebar, so you should be able to identify the target listing by reading the label carefully. If there are multiple entries, move slowly so you don't select the wrong one. Now place your mouse cursor directly over the target holiday listing row item. Be sure to hover over the row itself, not just near it, since Google Calendar often reveals additional controls or options only when the pointer is positioned accurately on the correct line. Keep your cursor steady for a moment so any hover-based interface elements have time to appear. As a helpful tip, if the sidebar feels cramped or difficult to read, you can briefly pause and visually scan each row before hovering. Precision matters here, especially if several calendar entries look similar. The goal is simply to position the cursor over the correct holiday listing in the Other Calendars area so you're ready for the next action in your workflow. That's it for this part of the process. You've opened Google Calendar in Chrome, gone to the Other Calendars Management section, and hovered over the target holiday listing row item correctly.